How to change shop location on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change shop location on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. Within your Shopify admin, you guys need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, then we have your store details right here. So within our store details, we will actually able to see the address of the store, but location is different. So if we see options right here, you can see we have the option of location just below the taxes and duties. So I'm going to select location. It'll show me the location for my Shopify store. In order to add a new location, you're just going to click right here and enter your location name. So I'm going to just call it maybe New York warehouse. So we're going to select the country. And then you have to enter the address right here. Enter your apartment and suite, city, state, zip code. Click on save and your new location will be saved on Shopify. Similarly, I can change this location if I want. So you just click right here, open it up, and then you can just change it and add a new location. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.